Hello folks, it's Friday. We had a little bit of trouble. This is going to be a short video. We'll have another video over the weekend. Just going to give you a little bit of footage here of some goats. Some of them is ours. As that one there you can see, that's not our goats. Like to thank y'all right now for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. And you all have a great weekend. And we'll be seeing you this weekend sometime. And also we'll be giving you the next 3 shout outs over the weekend here, and we'll tell you who they are. We'll have it up either Saturday or Sunday. You all have a great weekend.
You got a pretty baby, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. Liza Jane. Got an itch? Mama's over here eating.